Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to see about the topic nucleus, page number 62 and 66. It means in page number 66 the topic about nucleus, and page number 62 it is about a plant cell. Okay, so that is what we are going to see in today's class. So first one, what is meant by that nucleus and where it is present? See, nucleus, the general organelle which is present both in plant and also in an animal cell. Okay, without nucleus no cell it is, so any cell whatever the cell may be, it will be consist of this nucleus. Without nucleus there is no any cell here. Okay, so the plant and also the animal cells, it will be have that nucleus inside cytoplasm. So as we know before itself, cytoplasm, it is the general spacious area where all that cell organelles are present. So in that, one of an important organelle, it is nucleus. And then this nucleus, it is usually surrounded by a nuclear envelope. It means that surrounding layer, it is called as nuclear envelope, and one or two nucleolus. Okay, and the chromatin body also, it will be present inside that nucleus itself. So everything, it will be present inside the nucleus, the chromatin body, and even one nucleolus or two nucleolus, it may be present inside that nucleus. And then what is its function means? It will be storage of the genetic material. Okay, the genetic characters, okay, that material, it will be present inside this nucleus, and also it will be transferred. The heredity characters means the character of a person from one generation to the next generation, it will be transmitted through this nucleus. Okay, so for example, if we take even while some of the person's appearance, or even one of the few actions whatever they are doing or behavior, we will tell that that person, he looks like his father, or even that action, it looks like his father's action, like the similarity. Okay, so that is what it is transferred from one generation to the next generation. So in such a way, the generic characters, it will be transmitted mainly because of this nucleus. Okay, so that is the main function of this nucleus. And then what are the important functions means? See, one thing, it controls all the processes and chemical reactions. So whatever it is taking place in the cell, whatever it is happening, everything, it will be controlled by the nucleus alone. And then inheritance of character. So as I said before itself, from one generation to the next generation, the character, okay, the character, it will be transmitted because of this nucleus. So these are all the important functions of this nucleus, and this is a structure of an nucleus which possesses the nuclear membrane, fibrils, chromatin diffuse, and then a nuclear pores. So everything, it will be found around this nucleus. And the next one, it is a plant cell. So as we know before itself, the plant cell, it is the structure of a plant cell which is covered by cell wall. Only in plant cell the cell wall will be present, and in animal cell it is absent. Only it will be covered by cell membrane. Okay, around that cell membrane, the cell wall, it will be present in plant cell. Okay, and then the next one, it is chloroplast. It is also a special character which is present only in a plant cell, which gives green color. And also the process called photosynthesis, it will be taken by this chloroplast. So the plants, whatever it is, what are the plants which is having this chloroplast, they alone can do that photosynthesis process and produce their own food. The remaining, they cannot do this process. Okay, and also the next one, nucleus. So the nucleus, it is generally present in both plant cell and also in an animal cell. And then large vacuole, then inorganic and organic molecules, it will be filled with this vacuoles alone. And the next one, it is a ribosome, which is a minute particle which will be consisting of RNA. RNA, what is the expansion of RNA? Ribonucleic acid. Okay, so and also they synthesize polypeptides and proteins, it will be synthesized by the use of this ribosomes. So these are all the important parts of a plant cell. And then here you are going to learn and write question number 11. Draw the structure of nucleus and explain its functions. You want to draw the structure with its parts, and also you want to explain what are all the different functions of the nucleus. And then 12th one, explain any three parts of a plant cell. So here the 4 or 5 parts it is given here. You are going to write any 3 parts, and with an explanation what is the use of that plant part you want to write.